Baba, you support it.
Really flat.
I think your tongue.
Okay.
Everyone in there to replate so conditions.
Beja vai shift out.
Yeah, kí ló eléyìí ti ṣí wà?
Ti yọ lẹ́gàn.
Ẹ sọ fún mi. Òun àwọn ẹ̀bá àbádá padà ní.
Okay,
ti ṣí wà.
the first
Eléyìí yẹ kó wá, not that one. Òun mi lè máa ṣí ilé ìjú tó kù ní. I have to take it back. Ẹ máa sọ fún mi tó bá ti move.
Presidente, Adúgbò àbí? It's okay.
Ìsọdáre, ẹ support tí kò bá lọ torí kò lọ ilé ìṣe lọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
This is engage, okay?
Ẹ má fi ṣan sí rẹ̀.
Ayọ̀ fi jẹ́ sí.
Ẹ máa support eléyìí wọ́n ti mú. Ìgbé ẹ̀kọ́ ni.
Ó máa lọ fún wa.
Ìgbé ẹ̀kọ́ kò tẹ̀lé.
Kí ẹ̀ ń kẹ̀kọ́ wá watch. Ṣùgbọ́n a máa ní láti fọwọ́ àdìsíkàtì ẹ̀ fi set up.
Speed there might increase. Yeah. Be able to launch a machine.
Ẹ fojú sára base.
Láti máa support ẹ̀. In fact, ó yẹ ká fọ́ sórí ẹ̀. Láti fi. Ó wà máa gbéra.
Ìsọdáre, ẹjọ́ remote, ọba mi kó remote ni. Once you see setup complete and the gates are well positioned, the gates must be well positioned as well.
Okay.
That means it's complete. Press that and then with the round button.
You press what?
The button
Well, open.
enter.
Open, yes.
And it's open.
Then this zero button to see, so you can see it says open.
Yes.
That means it's correct.
Correct.
So we finished the set. Programming of remote. To program remote, the middle button is the long button. Press it down. You have setting limits. Option, go to look for the option of remote controls. Remote control. Select it. Add remote. Select add remote. Select function trigger. Function trigger, that's this blue button. You can use any button, but it's ideal to use the blue button.
And trigger.
Yeah, trigger means it's
Open.
Full opening. That's trigger, full opening. So select it. And once you see, press remote button. It has accepted it. The second one, press. It has accepted as many as you want to. You keep pressing. And the
To be adding the numbers, 2, 3, then we have number of remotes.
So once you are done with it, this same one,
To accept.
Okay, no, sorry. Then you
That's
go
it.
back. It's accepted already, so you go back. You go back
To add the remote.
to add another function.
Okay.
You know what we added
This
was
trigger gate.
Trigger. So we want to add another function. Add remote.
As a trigger.
Then look for the option of pedestrian.
Pedestrian.
You know, you
trigger up and down, yes,
use
option.
up and down for your option.
Okay.
So now we see
Pedestrian.
pedestrian. Select it. Press remote button. The button you want to use, the gray, is what we're using for pedestrian. Yeah, you know it's 2 because this one is 2 on the. It's programmed already. So it's programmed as 2.
2, okay, that is 1.
Okay, two.
This one is 1.
Okay, 1. Okay. Check that one.
Accepted.
Back again.
So, back.
Add remote.
No, we are not adding any other function.
Just two
Sorry,
buttons.
pedestrian means okay. If you want to open, repeat.
Small
Open.
apparatus.
Okay, trigger means open and close.
You'll see.
Full open the trigger.
Fully open and close.
So now trigger
the
and
trigger.
turns in the blue button. That will close it.
Close it. Okay.
That's up. That's up on that.
Trigger is closing it. So
Trigger again.
majorly this blue is for driving in. When they are driving a car in or driving out. They use the blue button.
So open and close.
Yeah.
Full open. Blue, they didn't say. Full open.
that's
Full
Close.
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 Okay, now pedestrian saying.
No,
Not the
You have to
close.
close it full.
yeah, it has to close.
Push it on. That's manual. Méjèèjì ló ṣe náà.
So for pedestrian now, this is the one that will open. Because it's the last one.
Okay, only one.
When you press pedestrian, it won't open immediately.
Yeah,
It
take
takes
time.
like 2 seconds. So you press and wait.
Wait.
See, it's counting already. Yeah, just this.
No matter how far to run.
After 5 seconds, it closes by itself.
I'm going to press button.
No, you're not pressing. So it
Because
closes.
I'm not going to 5 seconds.
Exactly. But you can increase
The timing.
time. You can.
What happens if you press the close button and there is someone in between the gate?
And you quickly press now to stop it.
So okay, until you install safety.
That's instead of so it will open back on its own. But since there is no safety there, you have to.
Can that still be completed?
Yes, sir.
Sure. You need to.
How do you increase the time of the pressure? Limit.
You look for pedestrian.
Okay.
Option of pedestrian.
Pedestrian gate.
Select it. So this opening is how wide you want it to
Okay.
open.
Yes. Okay.
This is the default. This is the default. You want it to open wider than the way it opens.
There are many
Just
fast people.
increases it.
Okay.
So, pedestrian. You select it first.
Then you increase all
Yes.
the
Okay. That is okay. That's okay.
back to that.
30%, yes.
Then the next one. So this is the timing.
Out
That's
of
5
focus.
seconds.
Can I proceed that to more?
Okay, let's press okay.
Maybe 5 seconds.
Okay, accept it
No,
first.
just no.
I said first.
Just press
It's there.
zero button.
So I should just.
Yes,
I think 5 seconds should do, right?
it's perfect.
That's when the trigger.
So that's it. That's it. That's all. You connect the power now.
Sure.
Just put it there. 1.5.
But even if you connect the power. And so, but you understand, we are going to remove this one. You understand the connection. So I will give you set up already. So once the way it is now,
It's closed.
yeah. So when you bring this one back, when you bring it back, you have to close the gate manually.
Okay, no, we have to open. We have to come back to manual process. Open it out. Remove this one. Then after the whole stuff has been done, you put this one back.
You close the gate manually first. The gate must be in closed position before you press the remote.
Okay, yeah,
That's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying.
Okay.
If it's open and you press the remote,
To jump.
and it can
I
come.
have to start setting up again.
If you're not careful, you might need you need to set up all over again. So when you want to return this machine, make sure the gate is closed
Before pressing any remote.
before you press it because
Meaning,
the
obviously,
programming,
you're
the
gonna-
memory is enclosed.
What I'm going to do is this. After now, I'm not going to connect the power now, sir.